Okay, guys, next I ordered a bra. There's four pieces of bra. There's it's a good material, I think. This one. It's a good material. It's a four pieces. One, two, three, and four. There's a black. And what else in here? There's another one more rubber shoes sneaker. This is it. Pansit. It's not bad. It's a light and rubberized. It's not slippery, I think. Look at that, guys. So yeah, it's a light material, breathable as well, and I think non-slippery because it's a rubberized. So one of these with a pattern like that. And what else I have? I have this. I have this set of jogging pants. Paris. These the pants saying Paris. Paris with top because it's winter here, guys. And this is the top. Paris. Okay, so that's all. I'm glad that it's arrived. It takes like probably a week. So I think Temu online order, the product probably overseas. It's not bad, the material. I like the material. Probably it's a mix of cotton. Probably cotton is 90% or look like it's cotton. Yeah. Probably cotton 95% and 5% of fiber or 2% of fiber. So this is all the delivery for today. Set of pants and top, Paris, and then set of white. Is this sneaker? White sneaker. I think I'm size 7, guys. I'm going to wear this tomorrow. And so that's the sneakers, and then the bra. For bra, it's a good material, guys. Not bad, but the sweat. Well, anyway, winter, you will not be sweat much on winter. So I have four of these. Yeah. So the bra, where is the here? This is the package for this bra. See? I'm happy that's in here. I can use this next week to the karaoke. And the shoes. I can use these to the karaoke next Thursday. It's not bad, Temu online shop. Yeah, I think it's a good quality. Good quality for everyday use. Okay, that's all, guys. And I'm going to watch YouTube now. Hope you subscribe. Edit Kills Spanish YouTube vlog. Basura na naman. Okay. Thank you for watching. Please support my channel for more video to come. I'm planning to have a organization, or I'm planning to organize a tours, guys. Tours to nice beaches in Philippines, here and there, and we will have Airbnb. So in the future, I'm going to set a tour with the Airbnb to stay, and a package, a service to from airport to the Airbnb and to the location of nice beaches and views. I'm planning probably will suit four people, four people for a group tour. And this is a package, guys, because this from the airport you can be picked up with our service to our Airbnb units, and we will going to travel to opposite side of beaches in the Philippines. So yes, about four people or a family. Say a family, the mom and dad and two kids or three kids will be fine. So this is a package deal of travel, means through the airport to the Airbnb and to the place where's the beautiful view. And of course we have a driver. It's a waiting service. So the service will be there where you are, and the driver will be there waiting for you till you finish your enjoyment. And yeah, hope that you support Edit Pill Spanish, and I will let you know next time this group travel service when we able to start. But this is a plan now, and when we already starting, I will let you know, guys. So to the people who love travel, with the kids, I think this is the best option that you can enjoy, and will be convenient to see other place in Philippines. Okay. Please subscribe, like, and share don't forget to subscribe, guys. So when this business already start, as I said, it's travel organizing for family or friends. So for adults, probably can accommodate with this Airbnb, and of course the service. We car. We have a service car from the airport to the Airbnb and to where the beaches or place to explore onto opposite side. And yes, um, probably I'm going to share some photos as well of the beaches that we are planning to go for the route. So as I said, opposite side of beaches, and we have Airbnb on that boat side. So it's a group travel, and I am and for sure it will be safe because the people will do this business is a family business, so um, it's safer because I know the people who will be into this service, travel service. So this is a private travel tour service, guys, direct to Edith Pil Spanish. And yes, thank you for watching. Hope you subscribe, like, and share. Till to the next video. Bye bye.